Welcome to the Cats of Skiathos video. I just thought I'd clear up a few misconceptions about the cats. There are probably hundreds of wild cats in the area, but they all seem to be well fed and looked after. If you notice on the bottom there's the Bridget Bardot Foundation, which is a charity that supplies lots of cash in order that the cats are fed and also looked after medically. You may notice that there are some cats that have a little tip of their ear missing. It's not because they're always fighting or in scraps, it's simply a way of recognising that that cat in the wild has been taken out and it's been neutered, simply to try and keep the populations of cats down. Without doing that, how would they know which ones have already been neutered? So it makes sense, although it appears to us maybe a little bit cruel. But as I say, you probably won't see a thin cat. There's just a couple around here, I'll show you now. So we're at the feeding station, drinking water there, and try food only please at the bottom.